Hello kids! Today I'm here with a very interesting activity. Parents, this is the best activity for focus and concentration. So this summer vacation, you can engage your child with this focus activity. Now kids, see how we will do this. So red color for rightwards arrow. Blue color for upwards arrow, green color for downwards arrow, and orange color for leftwards arrow. Now follow this color sequence and put arrow in these boxes. So first, red color means rightwards arrow. Then green color, so what we will put? Yes, downwards arrow. Then orange color, orange means leftwards arrow. Then blue color means upwards arrow. So this way we will complete it. Okay, now see the second sequence. First, blue color, blue means upwards arrow. Now put upwards arrow. Then red color means rightwards arrow. Then green color means downwards arrow. Orange means leftwards arrow. So now put left arrow in this box. Now next color sequence, orange color. Orange means leftwards arrow. Now put leftwards arrow. Okay. Then blue color. Now tell me, which arrow we will put here? Yes, upwards arrow. Then red color. Red color means rightwards arrow. Then orange color means leftwards arrow. Now the last color sequence, green color. So we put downwards arrow. Then orange color. So we have to put leftwards arrow. Then blue color means upwards arrow. Then red color. So we put rightwards arrow. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Now see you on the next video. Goodbye.